full marine warning for. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles southeast of Tampa Bay to near Tarrasea Bay to near Anna Maria Island, moving north at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Clearwater Beach, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Cross Bay, Maria Island, Central Island Reef, Seville Channel, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Hillsborough Bay, Johns Pass, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Jenny Bridge, Egmont Key, Indian Rocks Beach, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and St. Pete Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
If you're wondering what that was the defect detector. Yes, you're going to have to deal with me because I am really obsessed with railroads.